Hi, this is Amy Soto, and this is my Fitnessgram data analysis project. The 6 schools I chose to research are between 2 school districts, Alhambra Unified School District and South Pasadena Unified School District. I chose Arroyo Vista Elementary School, Monterey Hills Elementary School, South Pasadena Elementary School, Granada Elementary School, Park Elementary School, and Ramona Elementary School. The 2 schools I chose to further research are Granada Elementary School and Monterey Hills Elementary School, and this is their fitness reports. I chose Granada Elementary School because I went there from kindergarten through 8th grade, and I also worked there for 2 years. And here are their scores in language arts and math. The fitness data for Granada Elementary School: 25 females were tested. 88% were in the healthy fitness zone, 12% needs improvement. 28 males were tested. 71.4% fell into the healthy fitness zone, and 28.6% needs improvement. I chose Monterey Hills Elementary School because I've been working there for the last 15 years, and here are their test scores. 79.02 exceeded for the language arts, and 77.84 exceeded in math. Monterey Hills Elementary fitness data: 58 females were tested, 86.2% landed in the healthy fitness zone, 13.8 needs improvement. 28 males were tested, 64.6% landed in the healthy fitness zone, and 35.4 needs improvement. Comparing the 2 schools side by side, they aren't too far from each other. If you look at Granada, 49.02%. And then in math, 38.34%. And then if you look at Monterey Hills side by side again, they're not too far, 79.02% in language arts and 77.84% in math. But if you look across, comparing both schools, there's a bit of a difference there in the test scores. Oops, sorry. What I've learned. I learned that there is so much data to be found on all the students. I'm not sure why I didn't know physical education scores were being calculated and put into percentages just like the other subjects. It's good to know data on a school that you're working at or where your children might attend. That can help determine the needs the students might need. And also, personally for myself, I was debating between both school districts because I live in Alhambra, but I work for South Pasadena Unified. So my children are able to attend either or school districts, but now after doing this data, it's actually helped my decision, and it's kind of curved it to where I would be sending them. And here are my resources. Thank you.